capsicum rice. It is another variant. I have already shown you one variant of bell pepper rice. So welcome to SBL Kitchen. I am Mukta Nagaraj showing you capsicum rice. To begin, I will switch on the hob into the hot wok. I am going to add in the oil. I am going to add in onions. And the potatoes. Now I am going to add in the ginger garlic paste. Going to add capsicums. The other two colors. Now the moisture is gone. I am going to add in the boiled peas. Little turmeric. Then the Vangibath Masala. I am using the ready ones. And little bit of Garam Masala and salt to taste. Now is the time to add the cooked rice. Now I am going to squeeze in the lime. In the low flame, I would close the lid and keep it for a minute or two. And finally, the chopped coriander. Capsicum rice ready to eat.